Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make your PlayStation controller light rainbow. While your PlayStation console offers some basic light bar functions, achieving a dynamic rainbow effect typically requires external tools. The light bar on these controllers is capable of displaying over 16 million colors, providing a vast spectrum for personalization. We will explore simple methods to transform your controller's light bar into a dazzling, colorful display, enhancing your gaming setup with a unique visual flair. One popular and effective method involves using DS4 Windows on your personal computer. First, download and install this free software. Next, connect your PlayStation controller to your computer, either with a USB cable or wirelessly via Bluetooth. Once connected, open DS4 Windows, navigate to your controller's profile, and find the light bar settings. Here, you can easily select a vibrant rainbow effect, or even fine-tune specific colors, and adjust the brightness to your liking. Beyond DS4 Windows, other software options exist. For PlayStation 5 controllers, DualSense X offers comparable customization features, including diverse lighting effects. Additionally, if you play games through Steam, its Big Picture mode provides some built-in light bar color adjustments. Remember, for both DualSense X and Steam's features, your controller must be connected to your personal computer. Experiment with the brightness and saturation settings to achieve your desired visual impact. It is worth noting that certain third-party PlayStation-compatible controllers come equipped with their own integrated RGB lighting. These often feature dedicated buttons or companion software to easily cycle through various effects, including rainbow patterns. For optimal performance and access to the latest features, always ensure your controller's software and any associated drivers are kept up to date. Feel free to experiment with all available settings to personalize your controller's light bar to perfectly match your gaming style.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.